Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to this next PHP tutorials. In this tutorials we're gonna talk about if, else and else if loops, and of course we're gonna talk about the switch in PHP. Have fun watching the video right now and let's go. So first things first, let's begin with the if else loop. So basically it's pretty simple. You can just say if, and you have to put in a condition here and then something happen. By the way, you can use single line comments, and otherwise you can say else if, and of course you have to put a condition here as well, and you can use as much else if you want, but let's end always, and you don't have to end with else, but let's end with else here. So we can say last case, and here we can say second case. Alright, and as I told you, you have to put in a condition here right now. So let's create a variable. Let's call the variable something like condition, and let's set the condition to let's say 2, or let's say 1. Okay, and here you can say if, and we can say condition is, and you have to put in a value that is always true or false. If condition is equal with double equal sign here and now is equal to 0, you can say echo, you can say result is 0, and we can just say in the else if statement, if condition is equal to 1, we can echo out the result is 1, and in the last case we can just say result is not 1 and not 0. Okay, so let's save this. So because we declared the condition variable as 1, we will of course get into the else if case, and we will see result is 1. If we change it here to 0 right now, you can see now result is 0, and if we change it to another number or to another string or anything like that, I don't know, let's say it's a string like this, and you will always see result is not 1 and not 0. Cool, right? Let's do the switch case here right now. So let's say condition, or let's call it name, is equal to fill. We just can delete that. We just can create a switch case. Switch case is you can define some different cases, and switch case is going through every case, and if it matches the case, it will do some stuff. And we can do this by say switch, and here we can put in the argument. So let's say something like name in my case, and we can start using say case Peter, for example, I don't know. Then you can say some code. So for example, you can say echo name is Peter. Okay, and you always have to break, because if this matches, it has to stop the switch case. Okay, and you can do as much other cases as you want. So let's say fill, for example, and of course you have to change it to fill. And in the last case, let's say something like James, and here the name is James. Okay, and in the last case you have to say default. That's very important, and here you have to put in some stuff that happens if no case is matching with the argument, and you can say some, for example, no name found. Just a basic example. All right, let's save this, and of course I declared the variable name as Phil. Of course I want to echo out the name as Phil. So this is working. So let's get Peter, and here you see Peter. And of course let's put in some other name like Carl again, and of course it will go to the default case, no name found. Simple and basically switch case for PHP. Alright, guys and girls, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.